Handrails are common breeding grounds for bacteria, viruses, and harmful microbes. That's why people avoid touching them at all costs in public places. However, on escalators, coming in direct contact with the rail is almost unavoidable. With the pandemic reaching new levels, just seeing an escalator can trigger anxiety for people returning to their favorite establishments, stores, and buildings. As pedestrians walk around malls and entertainment centers, what devices are available that can help protect them from dirty escalator handrails? The Larson Electronics UV Escalator Cleaner is a cutting-edge solution that keeps handrails clean and germ-free in occupied areas. This compact, fully enclosed device uses 3 UVC 254 nanometer fluorescent lamps per rail to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and other pathogens on surfaces. The UV handrail cleaner uses no liquids, and there is no downtime associated with the process. Designed for commercial escalators, this stainless steel unit offers continuous 24/7 sanitation. The disinfection device mounts directly onto the handrail and cleans at a rate of 200 feet per minute. A highly visible safety label and banner notifies pedestrians about ongoing handrail sanitation, which provides peace of mind for people using the escalator. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.